Kiwi, come. Come. Kiwi, come. 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 Kiwi, come. Come. Good bird. I'm trying to train her to be used to my hand kind of being on the top of her toes right now. We're having an issue with Kiwi going up onto our shoulders and then having a problem coming down. So we're doing some new training where I kind of hold on to her, hold her kind of away from my body a little bit. And then once she's done with her treat and she does well and doesn't try to get away from me or go up my arm, then we set her back down. Good bird. I don't use a clicker, but some people do. So my command for her is Kiwi, come. Kiwi, come. My thumb is down usually, so she doesn't try to land on that. Kiwi, come. Come. Good bird. Until she gets the treat. And then she's doing even much better. Just with my fingers being there, it kind of helps keep her in place and stable. Down here. Nope, down here. Good bird. Kind of like a target training kind of thing there. And then you set her back down, which she doesn't want to do. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good bird. Okay, good bird. She usually wants to take the whole treat, but I won't let her, and then she gets mad at me. So, that she's only going on 5 months old, so we've got a lot of training to do. She does typically like to go up onto my shoulder, on the top of my head, which I don't typically care about. The problem is getting her back down again is the issue. That she gets kind of nippy. I don't want to say snippy, but nippy, and she gets kind of an attitude. Just get her more in there. She gets a little bit of an attitude. So, Kiwi, come. Good bird. Good bird. Head scritches. Good bird. Good bird. Yeah, Jason, my good bird. So I use a lot of positive praise and just I raise my voice like that when I'm really proud that she did something. I will tell her no. When I want to get her down, she does come down with treats. I don't sit there and fight with her. I don't let her bite me. If I try to get her down once and it doesn't work, I get a treat. I bring her down to the end of my arm, give her the treat, put her on the perch. You should never fight with your bird. You should never be grabbing your bird. Huh. Kiwi, come. Target training. She likes target training. Good bird. Good bird. So again, as you can see here, I'm just kind of trying to grab her toes a little bit. I'm not holding on to her, holding on. Step up, step up, step up, step up. Good bird. Good bird, yay, good bird. Oh, sorry, this was 2 treats in 1. My bad. Good bird. See, she was trying to go up my arm again. So I made it where I stopped her here. And then when she got here, I faced her. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Now I'm not going to praise her because I didn't tell her to come. I didn't use the command. I'm not going to praise her. I'm not going to give her a treat because so what I do is then she comes down here and I lift her and put her back on. And then I give her a treat when she's on there because she did 2 steps and she did a couple different things to earn that treat. Huh, baby? Target training is very easy to do. It's also another good method of getting your bird to go where you want it to go. So if it's in a place that you don't want your bird, the easiest thing is target training. I'm by no means an expert. This is all kind of a crash course for me. But if I have any questions, I usually go over to Bird Tricks on YouTube to learn a lot of this stuff, and it clearly works. Kiwi, come. Kiwi, come. Good bird, see? And we've had her for just a little over. Okay, good bird. And we've just had her a little over 2 weeks. So prior to that, I've seen her once, and then I went and picked her up, brought her home. We basically had her out on our hand with less than 24 hours because of the things that I've learned and things that I'm putting into practice because of the knowledge that I gained. So again, this is just a little crash course, little segment on how we're training. We're trying to keep her off the shoulders, off the head, mostly because she doesn't want to come off in one command. And so if your bird does not come off in one command or one step up or one come or whatever your command is, then keep it off the shoulder until they can learn. You go up, you come back down, and that's the way it is. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys later.